Good evening to our viewers in the West, and we begin with growing fears that the coronavirus outbreak could become a global pandemic. Today, the World Health Organization raised its risk alert to very high and questioned whether hospitals were ready for this public health emergency. Wall Street had another sell-off, the Dow closing down more than 350 points today and more than 3,500 for the week. That's a drop of more than 12%. And just a short time ago, we learned there is now a second coronavirus case confirmed in California, where officials say they have no idea how that person was infected. We have a team of correspondents covering every angle. Carter Evans leads us off tonight in California. And Carter, what do we know about this new case?
Well, we know that second person infected by an unknown source is in Santa Clara County, about 100 miles from here. They're 65 years old with no known history of travel to areas of concern and no contact with a known case of the virus. As the nation braces for infections to spread, state health departments are ramping up emergency plans. Oregon health officials wasted no time setting up a war room with a team of disease detectives to get ahead of the coronavirus.
The sense of urgency is around our opportunity to get messages out and to do our planning now.
Nationwide, stores are selling out of masks and hand sanitizers. Prescription drugs could be next. This week, the FDA warned there could be potential disruptions to supply or shortages of critical medical products. As many as 20 medications with ingredients from China are already at risk. One drug they wouldn't name is now officially in short supply, but there are alternatives. Meanwhile, the CDC is trying to track down everyone who may have come in contact with a California woman infected by an unknown source. So far, fewer than 500 people in the U.S. have been tested. Today, the CDC admitted there's a shortage of test kits.
It is the unknown that creates a panic.
Congressman John Garamendi represents the California community with the most exposure.
You don't know who is infected, and therefore you are walking blind.
The CDC says the goal is to have all 50 states testing by the end of next week. And before it gets worse, schools are taking action. Bothell High near Seattle canceled classes after a friend of a staffer developed symptoms. In Sacramento, where 2 local colleges are now reporting potential infections, some of the affected students are self-isolating in their dorms.
Now everyone's just scared to talk to each other and go near each other.
Carter Evans, CBS News, Sacramento.